Hello, I'm Paolo from OKTIE, and if you are watching this video, this means you're gonna put lenses at your local optometrist to our wooden glasses frame. So I'm gonna show you step-by-step instructions of how to do it and how do we do that, so you would not break your frame. Let's go.
First step we do is scanning the frame in the special scanner that scans the shape of the lens and send it to the machine that will cut our lens. When the scanning is done, optometrist places the lens accordingly to your prescription and prepare it to cut. When the machine is done, we take the lens and place it to the frame, pushing from the outer or inner side of the frame. If lens don't come in easy, you need to adjust it manually in a special sanding machine. You need to make edges more smooth, so lens will push in. Remember, you don't need to press too hard to the lens, because you may break the frame. Better to cut easily, step by step, until the lens is fixed.
So you just watched this video, and by the end I wanna tell you how to take out the lens from our frames, because each prescriptions last for 2 years, not more. In 2 years you may wanna change the lenses and you will need to pull them out. If you put the lens from this corner to this one, you need to put out from the center. Gently push out from the nose bridge. One more time. Push the lens out from the nose bridge. Remember, be gentle, not haste and not push too hard, and your frame will be good. Thank you.